What's up guys, I'm here to give you an unboxing of the Target exclusive Steelbook of Interstellar. So right here, it was $19.99 today. The sale ends tomorrow for $19.99. And Interstellar was directed by Christopher Nolan and stars Matthew McConaughey, Anne Hathaway, Jessica Chastain, and Michael Caine. There are some other actors, but I will not spoil them for you because there were some surprises. But yeah, so here we have Interstellar Steelbook. See the spine there. It also comes with an IMAX film cell, which is awesome. Everybody's has been liking them. Hopefully, I get a good film cell because some of them are like not like good as shot. If you understand. But let's get into this. A lot of people said it was good, but it wasn't that good compared to Christopher Nolan's other films. So, but I personally enjoyed it a lot. It's one of my top 5 movies of last year, and I can't wait for Christopher Nolan's next movie. I don't know if he's gonna. I don't know when he's gonna release his next movie, but I know. But yeah, slip this out. There we go. So this is a glossy finish, but I don't know about you guys, but I don't know who that character is. It's not Matthew McConaughey. So who the hell is that? Like, I don't know who the hell that is, but let's take the backing off. So, oh shoot, oh man, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I got the film cell right here. I'm gonna see that later. There's a copy. Is there more stuff? But here we go. Here's an awesome shot. I like how it connects to the other side, which just looks awesome. Now let's get inside. So it comes with 3 discs. One is the feature film, as you can see there, if that can focus. The other one is special features, I guess. And the other one was just a DVD copy. So let me just put that there. Let's take out these discs carefully. An awesome background with main characters of Matthew McConaughey and her daughter just looking up at the sky. Beautiful inside artwork. Put this back in here. Sorry guys. So let me just put that aside right there and let's take a look at this film cell, which one I got. So let's pull this out. There we go. I'm deciding whether to get the Walmart exclusive or not, because that looks just like fucking awesome. I saw a ton of unboxings there. Oh shoot, I tore it up a little bit, but I don't know which cell is that. Let me get something real quickly. Got my iPad here so I can light it up. Oh, now I see it. I see it now. I don't know if you can say it. Wait. Oh man, it's on my code. Oh, sorry guys. But I don't know if you can see there, right there. That is Matthew McConaughey. You can see a picture of him right there. I don't know. I don't have a flashlight, you guys. But you can see that there. So yeah. So yeah guys, that is my unboxing of Interstellar, the Steelbook Target exclusive Steelbook. Hope you guys tell me in the comments below what do you think about Interstellar. Peace out.